Your thoughts on what might have what happened today?
Can you go to the mic, sir?
We are innocent. The fact that we're making arguments grounded in the Fifth Amendment should not be construed by anyone that we are indicating that our clients are guilty of anything. I represent an innocent person, and all innocent people, including newspaper reporters and journalists, if they are ensnared in situations and circumstances such as this, they have not only a right, and the attorney has not only a right, but a duty to protect and preserve those privileges that are important to all of us as citizens. And that's what we were trying to do here today.
I think it's critically important in a matter of this type that it be decided according to the law and the Constitution of the United States and the state of New Jersey. This has been going on for a period of time. It's attracted quite a crowd here of you all, and I guess there's a lot of interest in it. If I were a politician, I might understand that better than I do. What I do understand is there's no more fundamental right than the right not to be made a witness against yourself, and that's the right that we're here to enforce today. So we made our arguments, we've confined them to what we've written in the papers and to what we've said in open court. Many of you were in court to hear them. We feel very strongly about our position. I feel very strongly that Bill Stepien is an innocent man who is being ensnared by ambiguous circumstances. The Fifth Amendment belongs to all of you, just as it belongs to Mr. Stepien. That's what this is all about. Judge Jacobson clearly understands the issues. She's an excellent judge. I'm sure she will decide the case according to the dictates of her own conscience and her understanding of the law, and we're very confident.
What are you doing here today? Why was the purpose to sit through a long, tedious time?
Because her life has been affected dramatically, and today the court was going to discuss an issue of significance that affected her life, and she wanted to be here. She's not someone who's running away, living a life of a hermit. She's a 42-year-old single mom with 4 children, trying to make do in a difficult time. She's unemployed, doing her best to try and seek employment. So I don't know if I should say it to Ms. Kelly, but if anybody needs someone to work, just give me a call, because I have an excellent employee.
This case is much more significant than what you've all chosen to call Bridgegate or what have you. It's much more significant. This is about the ability of the government to call someone to be a witness against themselves. That's the long and the short of it. That's what we're here to defend today.
Well, we heard nearly 3 hours of argument on the motion that was filed before Judge Jacobson, and the judge asked many thoughtful and pointed questions. There's obviously going to be a need for additional briefing to be done, and we heard the schedule laid out today, and the judge is then ultimately going to write an opinion. Our estimation is that we're looking at some point by the end of this month, early next month, but obviously that's up to the judge and her schedule.
This is a complex case. I think we might even be setting some precedents here, and I believe she's going to be thoughtful and appropriate in her decision, and we're looking forward to getting to the end of the month and getting this wrapped up.
Senator,